Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and creating a new Earth Studio project. Pick a template only if it matches your goal, otherwise choose blank. Set resolution, frame rate, and duration. Those determine final export quality. Search or paste coordinates to lock the base location, then place your first camera keyframe at frame 0 so you have a stable starting view. Once done, scrub the timeline to confirm the initial camera position, and make sure to save the project before moving on. Now you animate. Add keyframes for position, heading, tilt, and zoom, and use the timeline to space them for pacing. You should adjust easing curves to avoid robotic starts and stops. Ease in and ease out create cinematic motion. When doing complex flyovers, draw or edit motion paths so the camera follows terrain contours. Make sure to preview at lower resolution to speed up iterations. Once refined, nest additional cameras or cut points, and confirm each camera transition. Finish by choosing final render settings. Pick resolution, frame rate, and output format. Image sequences give more flexibility than compressed MP4s. Enable alpha if you plan to composite in another app, and set an organized output folder. Start a small test render of 10-20 frames to confirm look and performance, then launch the full render. If things go wrong, clear cache, reduce sampling, or split the job into segments. Make sure to check log messages for memory or timeout hints, and retry with adjusted settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.